The Xiaomi sub-brand Poco will introduce Poco X7. The Poco X7 will be rebranded version of the Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G. Guys, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. The Poco X7 has an AMOLED touchscreen display with 6.67 inches screen size and with a sharp resolution of 1220 by 2712 pixels and a smooth refresh rate of 120 Hz. Smartphone will run on Android 14 operating system. There is a MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Ultra 4nm chipset with support of 2.5 GHz octa-core CPU. The smartphone will come with 8 and 12 GB of RAM and 128, 256 and 512 GB of internal storage. The smartphone has been powered by a large 5500 mAh battery. Also, there will be an option of 45 watt fast charging. Poco X7 has a triple camera setup on the back. Main sensor will be 50 megapixel wide and 8 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel macro sensor for best photography with 1080 pixel video recording. Poco X7 has an under-display optical fingerprint reader for phone protection. That's all for now and thanks for watching.